I bought the cheapest car on the market, but it didn't look like this. This is probably the cheapest BMW you can buy right now, and also one of the worst condition ones out there. So in this video, we're going to fix it and bring it back to life, like it just came out of the factory. First, we start with the engine. We're taking everything apart, piece by piece, every bolt, every component, completely stripped down. Then we fix what can be saved and replace everything that's beyond repair. And once everything is ready, we put it all back together. But this time, the right way. We don't stop until this engine sounds like it's in its prime again. After that, we move on to the chassis. Because right now, almost every part is covered in rust. So once again, we take everything apart, restore what we can, and replace the rest with brand new parts. Step by step, this car starts to come back to life. And in the end, no one would ever guess this used to be a complete wreck, except the people watching this video. Now it's time for the body. We strip everything down, replace what's needed, and rebuild it from the ground up.
Yeah.
And finally, there's only one thing left. The color. And just look at it now. If this doesn't deserve a subscribe, I don't know what does. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments. Should we take it to the track? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.